Okay. Hi. I'm Taylor.
I'm Viv.
We just really made this YouTube channel like just because we got bored. But
Like
we love to
it?
dance.
Yup.
And I don't know if you can tell right now, but I really love to eat food.
Badass.
Cheetos, life.
Man, you suck your fingers like
I really don't care. Immunity.
immunity.
Immunity. Build immunity to it. So anyway, yeah, we really just trying to build up a fan base and everything. We just want to show everybody like what we have for everyone to see, and you know, subscribe, comment, like. We will take song suggestions. So if you think there's like a song that we should do, a dance routine to, we'll do it.
You gotta hit us up on Instagram.
Instagram is for me literally it's Taylor Nicole Bro. Not just Taylor Nicole Bro, it's Taylor Nicole Bro. Then Vivi with 4 E's,
honey.
4 E's.
And a Y at the end. So VIVEEEEY.
Twitter. Mine is really, it's supposed to be Taylor Nicole, but the R got turned into a T, so
it's Taylor.
no, it's Taylot Nicole.
Taylor. Twitter, Vivi, same as Instagram. You know how it is.
So yeah. I continue to eat my food.
Fat bitches eat good food all the time.
I bet in some universe, some other universe, I'm literally a fat bitch. I really don't care.
Yeah, no. We ain't putting my head down there. So subscribe, comment, like, let us know. We got you.